Temple Media is a pioneer in 3D holography, bringing futuristic visual experiences to life. It is the only technology that can display volumetric 3D to the naked eye. Whether for live events, presentations, product showcases, launches, museum installations, advertising, our holographic solutions are designed to captivate audiences through immersive, interactive, and lifelike projections. The technology enables real-time rendering and playback of holograms, enhancing storytelling and engagement. We offer 4 kinds of devices, available in standard sizes and customizable dimensions. Kona 360, a 4-sided device that provides the same experience from all 360 degrees. Kona 270, a 3-sided device offering a 270-degree viewing angle. Kona 90, a single-sided device for front-only viewing. Devices are available in horizontal or vertical formats, depending on the use case. Some of our installations include Maruti Suzuki India, Cisco, Bharat Frizz Warner, Directorate of Naval Design Submarine Design Group, Naval Group, a French industrial group, Ministry of Electronics and Communications, Auto India Exhibition, DEFCOM 2014, IMTEX 2015, Aero India 2015, Navy Day Exhibition, International Fleet Review 2016, Make in India 2016, Def Expo 2016, G Hollow Hyderabad Airport, Shaurya Smarak, Bhopal, MP, C. Faraday's Gas Turbine Research Establishment, Aero India 2017, and Greyhounds, Telangana Police. Visit templemedia.co.in for further information.